Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Keystone Fuzion 419. On the front of the unit, you do have a large storage space. Below that, you do have a generator. We're going to go ahead and take a look on this side. As you can see, it does have a large pass-through storage space, and all of your water connections are here, your battery disconnect, and your gray and black tank drains. Making our way down the side of the unit is your auxiliary tank and the tank for your generator. It does have a ladder for roof access, so you can check your roof every 3 months as recommended by the manufacturer. Over here you've got another storage space. Many people do utilize this space for their sewer hose. It does have two entries, one in the garage, one to the garage and one to the main living space. It has two lighted and power awnings. On your main living slide, you've got a cabinet here for a TV. And you've got your outdoor speakers here as well. And you've got a second awning here. There's also a third awning on the back of the unit to go over the party deck. Let's take a look inside. We're gonna start off right here at the front of the unit. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom. It does have a nice little dresser and TV. You've got two closets over here. So this is the first one. The right-hand door opens out, the other door slides open. It does have a large shelf along with space to hang clothes, and below that you do have a washer and dryer hookup. Over here you also have another closet. I don't know if you can see that. Your bed is on the slide, which offers quite a bit of walk space. Over here is your master bedroom or master bathroom. So you get a corner vanity and medicine cabinet. Of course, your toilet. And we'll step around to this side so you can see the large residential shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. In the main living space, you have opposing slides. On your main living slide, you do have a 4-person Thomas Paine recliner couch. So each one of these seats does recline. Over here is your entertainment center. There's a single bunk up there. Many people do use that for storage. On your entertainment center, you have a large TV, your radio, and a fireplace. With this unit having opposing slides, it does offer the ability to have this island. It does have the fold-out bar stools. They are clipped in place for travel, but they do fold out. And there are drawers on each side of the island. You also have a Norcold freezer and refrigerator. Very large refrigerator. I'll show you the freezer. Next to your refrigerator, you do have a 3-burner Furrion stovetop and oven with a matching drawer below. A high point microwave and some storage above. And then over here is your sink and tons of storage. So as you can see, you do have a large single basin sink, and it does have a pull down sprayer. And for the final room, the garage. Nice large garage. You do have the Happy Jack bunk system. The upper bunk will come to about shoulder height on me. I'm 5'4". Lower bunk will come to about knee height. You also have the party deck. So it does have gates that wrap around the deck when it's in the down position. It will be level with the rest of the unit. And then you've also got the screen doors here. It does come with a rug. You've got tons of tie down points. And it also comes with a set of stairs for the party deck. Up here you do have some more storage space along with a TV and a half bath that includes, of course, your toilet, vanity and medicine cabinet. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come check us out in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.